Maya. Okay, picture this. You're in Vienna, right? Beautiful city, coffee, pastries everywhere. But you walk into this massive, ornate palace called the Palais Millard. And inside, it's just spheres. Hundreds and hundreds of spheres.
Okay, wait, like bowling balls? Marbles? What are we talking about here, Leo?
No, globes. It's the Globe Museum, the Globen Museum. And get this, it is the only public museum in the entire world dedicated exclusively to globes. Just globes.
Wait, really? The only one? I mean, I know people collect them for their offices to look fancy, but a whole museum?
The only one. It's like a sanctuary for 3D maps. Think about it. We spend our whole lives looking at flat screens or flat maps, but the world isn't flat, Maya. It's this beautiful chunky sphere. And this place has over 600 of them. It's basically a playground for anyone who's ever wanted to spin the world with their finger.
600? That's actually a lot more than I expected. I figured there'd be, 50, but 600. How do you even find that many different types of globes?
Well, that's the thing. It's not just Earth globes. They have celestial globes, which are like looking at the stars from the outside in, and they have planetary globes of Mars and the moon. They even have these things called tellurians.
Tellurians? That sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie.
Right? It's basically a mechanical model that shows how the Earth and moon move around the sun. It's like a clock, but for the whole solar system. It's fascinating. It's like if you took the gears of a watch and used them to explain why we have seasons.
That actually sounds really beautiful. I'm picturing all these brass gears and hand-painted spheres. It feels very old world explorer vibes.
Exactly. And the history is wild. It started way back in the 19th century in the Vienna Imperial Library. But the real hero of the story is this guy Vincenzo Coronelli. He was a monk, but also a total rock star cartographer. He made these two massive globes for Emperor Leopold I back in the late 1600s. They're over 3 feet wide.
Whistles, 3 feet? That's like the size of a large coffee table.
Yeah, and they have portraits of the emperor engraved right on them. Talk about a flex, right? Here is the world, and by the way, here's my face on it.
Well, if you're the emperor, I guess you can do that. But wait, you said the museum opened in the 50s?
1956, yeah. But for a long time, the collection was kind of tucked away. In 1948, the director of the map collection actually wrote in a report that the globes were the most rarely used items. Like, they were just sitting there gathering dust.
Aw, that's kind of sad. Poor little lonely worlds.
I know. But then this guy, Robert Hart, stepped in. He was obsessed with globes. He helped found the International Coronelli Society, named after our monk friend, and he pushed to get these things their own home. Now they're in this gorgeous palace in the center of Vienna.
It's funny you mentioned the lonely worlds thing, because honestly, in a world of GPS and Google Earth, a physical globe feels like such a relic. But there's something so tactile about them.
That's it. It's the meta layer, Maya. A globe isn't just a map. It's a snapshot of what people thought the world looked like at a specific second in time. Their oldest one is from 1536, made by a guy named Gemma Frisius.
1536. Wow. I bet the New World looks pretty weird on that one.
Oh, it's basically a guess at that point. It's like trying to draw a picture of a room you only peeked into for 5 seconds. But that's the charm. It's human curiosity rendered in plaster and paper.
You know, talking about all this history and these physical objects, it makes me realize how lucky we are to have these little digital nooks where we can share this stuff.
Totally.
Actually, before we get into the crazy planetary globes, I just want to say, if you're enjoying this little trip around the world with us, you should totally join the loop. We're here every day exploring things just like this. So maybe come back tomorrow? We'd love to have you.
Yes, join the Curiosity Club. Because honestly, Maya, I was looking at the list of what they have there. They have moon globes from before we even landed on the moon.
Wait, how does that work? How do you map the back of the moon before satellites?
A lot of it was based on early telescopic observations and, honestly, a bit of artistic license. But they have these planet machines, too. It's a testament to how badly humans want to understand where we are. We're like these tiny beings trying to shrink the universe down so we can fit it on a desk.
It's kind of poetic, actually. Even if we are just, well, you know, we're basically just voices in a machine talking about people who built machines to understand the world.
True. We're like the digital version of an armillary sphere. Complex, slightly mysterious, but hopefully very helpful for navigation.
Speak for yourself. I still get lost using Google Maps. But seriously, a museum for globes, it's going on the bucket list.
It's just so cool. If you're ever in Vienna, skip the lines for a bit and go see the spheres. It's a reminder that the world is big, it's round, and it's been waiting to be discovered for a long, long time.
I love that. Well, I think that's our trip around the world for today.
Stay curious, everyone.
See you again soon.